Bismillah wa bihamdih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Alhamdulillah, today here on this beautiful weather that we got, we are going to have the comprehensive exam. Yeah, and then I guess this will be the first comprehensive exam because the previous comprehensive exam that we have the offline kind of comprehensive exam. Yeah, and then today here we have 6 contender. The first, it will be Salsabila Rofi Khairun Nisa, and then second one it is Yaumi Rahmah. Next, it is Hilman Madani. Next, Riki Surya. Next one, Capriano Ramadan. And then last one here is Tama Erlangga Putri. Erlanda Putri. So which one is the correct one?
Erlanda, Mister.
Okay, Tama Erlanda Putri. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for registering your comprehensive exam. And then, before we are going to start this comprehensive exam, yeah, let's start this task here, this session, yeah, by reciting basmalah together. Yeah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's hope you guys can answer all of the questions. And if you cannot answer the question, so there will be no point for you. Okay, and then yesterday when I post the comprehensive schedule, yeah, I already taught you guys to watch the previous comprehensive exam first as your guys' preparations. Yeah, because my first question, it will be about digging your guys' comprehension about the previous kind of comprehensive exam. Yeah, I'm gonna mention one name and then you gonna mention her or his answer. Okay, that will be the first question. And then after that one, comprehensive exam here consists of 3 kind of focus. First, it will be about the general educations. Yeah. Second one, it will be about specific to English language learning. Yeah. And then the third one, it will be about Al-Islam and Muhammadiyah. Yeah. And then let's hope you guys already learned all the previous subject. Yeah, you guys already read your old book. Yeah, your old note. Yeah, so you can answer all of my questions. Okay, the first question, and then this will be the requirement question. If you can answer this question, so you can go to the next questions. But if you cannot answer this question, the requirement question, so I'm gonna kick you out from this meeting. Is that okay, Cap? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start with Bella. Bella, yeah. I want you to please mention one name from the previous comprehensive exam and then tell us here his or her answer while answering the question. And come on, Bella. Okay, what is it that you're looking for? Start answering, please. Bella?
Could you repeat the question?
Okay, my question, I want you to please mention one name from your friend, yeah, from the previous comprehensive exam, and then try to explain his or her answer, please.
I watched Dinda comprehensive exam.
Okay, come on, and then?
And explain about question Aika. question. What is AIKA and what is Muhammadiyah? What is the different Muhammadiyah and others movement, Islam movement? And for the AIKA is the lesson about historical of Muhammadiyah, and the Muhammadiyah is an Islamic movement preaching Amar Ma'ruf Nahi Munkar and Islamic faith and searched by the Sunnah. So that's again.
Okay, thank you. For your information, I never asked the student about what is AIKA. Yes, that was a typical of my question, and then that was the answer that you mentioned. Thank you. Next, Yomi Rahma, come on. It will be your turn.
Yes.
Please.
I watch Banu comprehension videos. In that video, Banu said in AIKA he studied akhlak, akidah, and tauhid. That's all, Mr.
Okay, so you were not answering here. The question, if Banu's answer here is about Akidah, Ahlak, and Tawhid, you gonna mention what is it Banu's perspective about those three terms? Okay, Yomi, do you
Okay,
mind,
Mr.
please?
Banu mention is, but and in that videos, Banu answer the meaning at the topic about buy and seller, Mr.
Selling in Islam. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Next, Hilman Madani, come on, your turn. Mention one name that you watch from the previous comprehensive exam, and then try to explain his or her answer, please.
Comprehensive and I think I watched Salma Hanifah. She talk about comprehensive exam is what we comprehension about AIKA, about what we have learned before is like method English in English education. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you. Next one, Ricky, come on.
I watch Sifa and Sifa videos, and in the videos, I remember that Sifa is mentioning about meaningful learning or teaching, I guess. And I kind of remember that she said that meaningful teaching is teaching a new subject to student, but still related to another skill. Yeah, that's it, Mister.
Okay, thank you. Next, Cap, please.
Okay. I remember the answer of Irba, but I don't remember the answer. I just remember the mistake of Mirba. He didn't answer your question, Mister. He answered your question, which is what model is in instructional design, and he answered. He didn't know what models that he got. He just answered the instructional design definition, like instructional design is instructional design is lesson plan, he said, and he said just instructional design. He said instructional design is lesson plan. The important thing that should be ready from teacher while doing teaching learning activities. That's it, Mr.
Okay, thank you, Cap. Last one, Putri, Tama. Okay, come on, Putri, Tama. Mention one name from the previous comprehensive exam and then try to tell us his or her answer, please. Okay, that was a good answer. Thank you very much, Tama. I can barely hear your voice.
Ya bentar maaf dari tadi aku ngomong. Itu Mister talk about basic learning, basic learning like speaking, basic skill and English speaking learning like speaking, listening, reading and writing, and then basic grammar gitu Sir.
Okay.
Define of the body or rules, describe it by a described language.
Do you understand the question, my dear?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, please repeat it then.
Explain about irbah, yang irbah kan Mister?
Okay, thank you. So you are choosing Irba, and then come with his answer, please.
Irbah.
Okay, come on.
I don't know. Mister, can you repeat the question, Mister?
Okay, my question, you may choose anyone, yeah, from the previous comprehensive exam, and then tell us their answer. Come on. Come on. Okay, that's okay. Come on.
Mister Irbah, tell about comprehensive exam. It's meant apa? Exam using mentality, and then and to know our knowledge from semester 1 until 8 until 7 until 7. That's it, Mister.
You're mentioning about mentality. What does it mean? Okay, thank you. Limit, thank you very much, guys, for answering the first requirement question. And then next question, this will be different kind of question. And then you gotta answer it here in different way. Yeah. The first question, it will be for Capriano Ramadan. Yeah. Capriano Ramadan, the question for you. Okay, I'm gonna mute every one first so you guys can hear it clearly. Okay, there we go. The first question, it will be for Capriano Ramadan. Yeah, my first question for you, Capriano Ramadan. As I mentioned it earlier, this comprehensive exam here covering 3 kind of focus. Yeah, so the first, it will be about the general education. My question for you, your future ambition, your future dreams, you're going to be a professional kind of English teacher, right? And then why did you gotta learn all those basic about general education? Come on, answer it, please.
Can you repeat, Mister?
Your future ambition, your future goals, you're going to be an English teacher, right? And then while joining this English department, you also learn about basic general education. Yeah, my question, why that you have to learn that one? Yeah, basic general educations. Come on.
I think highly specialized. This is a program to teach student and communicate more effectively in English, and also English is the global language for other people, and also I think education is systematic study that will be that important thing that kids should be got. That's all, Mr.
Okay, thank you. Second one, it will be for Ricky Surya. Ricky Surya, my question for you, one of the general education that you guys learn, it is about psychology in education. Yeah, why that you have to learn about psychology in education while the future job, the future profession that you're going to be, it is an English teacher? Come on, why?
Hello. Oh yeah. Hello, Mr. In
Yeah,
my
come on.
opinion, as a teacher, we are not only learning about the English language skill and also how to teaching method, but we also need to learn how to handle kids mentally. I guess that's very important.
Okay, so you're going to handle kids mentally. That will be
Yeah,
your point.
that's why we're learning psychology, right?
That's what you don't have to ask me. I'm the
Oh yeah,
one
okay,
that
okay,
giving
okay.
question.
That's my answer, Mr.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Next one, it will be for Hilman Madani. Hilman Madani, I want you to please try to mention one general education that you learned starting from first semester till the last semester, please. Hello, Hilman. Hello, Hilman.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Yeah, I think because be a teacher, I think uh, the best worker to uh, to face the life, because when I die after this, and the best legacy is knowledge and education to other people, I think. So I wanna hero for the other people.
Okay, you talk about legacy, and then my question, do you understand the question, Hilman Madani?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the question? Do you mind please repeat the question? Repeat it, please. What is it, the question that I gave it to you, please?
The answer. My
Oh,
answer.
okay, start with understanding the question first. What is it, the question that I gave to you, Hilman?
No. What is question? Can
And
you
then
repeat it, Mister?
and okay, I want you to
This question.
please, yeah, I want you to please try to mention one subject of general education that you learn, yeah, starting from the first semester till the last semester. One subject, Ali, and then why did you gonna learn that subject? Come on.
I think how to evaluate learning evaluation, Mister, because when I learn about learning evaluation, we can understanding what we have learned and to know our comprehension weakness for upgrade our comprehension. Yeah, I think to upgrade our thinking ability and comprehension ability, I think. Yeah, I think
So the subject here
one
is about
subject, right?
learning evaluation then. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Hilman. Next one, it will be for Yaumi Rahma. Yeah, Yaumi Rahma, my question. One subject that you learn as the basic of general education here, we call it, we call this one here, it is science in education. Yeah. Come on. So what is it? Science in education, Yaumi Rahma?
But Mister, can you repeat the question?
Okay, the basic of general education, you guys learn about science in education. Okay, and then my question, what is it science in education?
And in education, keep Mister.
Okay, Putri, Tama, the question, it will be the same, please. Science in education, what is it? Okay, do you mind please try to turn your audio first, Tama? Okay, come on.
Learning about knowledge, knowledge in a learning process. And in a learning process, and that's it, Mister.
Okay, next, please, Bella. It will be the same question. Do you mind, please? Science in education. What does it mean by science in education, please?
Science education is the teaching and learning of science to non-science topics such as school. Wait, Mister. I'm a school, such as school children, college student, or adults within the general public.
And what else?
I'm confused.
Okay, thank you very much. And then the second question, it will be the same question, but you guys have to answer it differently. Yeah, in different way. Okay. The question will be, you guys also learn about civic educations. Yeah. Okay. When you learn about civic educations, yeah, we learn about how that we are going to be proud, yeah, as one nation. Okay, and then now I want you to please try to remember, try to remember the main point that you guys can get, yeah, after learning about civic educations.
But what, Mister?
Anything about civic education. Come on.
Civic.
Civic
Will be the first,
education.
Mr.
What is it, Cap?
Will be the first.
You will be the first, Cap?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Civic education, Mr.
Yep.
I think civic education is just about personality development course of no, civic education, right?
Yep. Come on.
It's talking about moral education of the nation and also forming intelligent, democratic, and noble citizen or civilization who consistently preserve and develop democratic ideals and build the nation character. That's all, Mr.
Okay, thank you. It is about citizen and citizenships. Great one. Next, please. Who's gonna be the second? Okay, Ricky, please.
Civic education, Mr.
Yep.
I think it's we're learning about not only education for teaching. I think we're learning about the political and the citizenship and the rights and also the duties of the nation. I think.
Okay,
That,
okay, thank you, Ricky. Next, please.
Ini Mister, Salsabila.
Next, come on.
Salsabila, Mister.
Okay.
The point I remember from the civic education is about the meaning of Pancasila from the laws and the political about politika in Indonesia.
Okay, since you still remember about the meaning of Pancasila, that's what you mentioned. So what is it? Pancasila is?
Pancasila, I remember learn about the meaning of the what?
The meaning of what?
Design of design in I forget it, Mister.
Okay, thank you. That's enough. Next, please. Hilman.
I think when we talk about civic education is to make us be a good character and moral in sociality, and to responsibility also. Yeah, I think to upgrade us for that is.
Okay,
I think that is-
next. What else, Hilman?
Enough.
Okay, that's enough. Yaumi Rahmah, come on. Your answer, please.
I study civic. I think what I remember is I study about Pancasila, how to be a good person in Indonesia, and moral, Mister.
How to be a good person and moral. Really? That's all?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, thank you. And where is Putri? Tama? Tama, hello?
she's not here, sir.
Okay. Last question for the general educations. Yeah. Last question here, it will be about the overview when you guys learn, the overview here when you got, okay, there we go, we got Tama. Tama, go on, Tama, your answer, please.
Mister. What one, Mister?
Your answer about civic education, please.
Civic education. study about politics to make student that aims to help student to become political major citizen and participant in building a democratic political system.
That's reading, not explaining. Do you mind please try to repeat it? Tama.
Civic education that I'm to help student to become a political major citizen, Mister. Make a student have to have apa uh, participant in building democratic politics system.
Okay, Tama, I can see your eyes here. Okay, so do you mind please face the camera and then do not look at your answer. Yeah, try to come with your opinion, please. Yeah, about civic education.
Yeah, Mister. Hello, Mister.
Okay, thank you. Leave it. Next question. This will be the last. Yeah, this will be the last question for the general education. Yeah, for the general education, you guys learn. Yeah, you guys learn about how that you're going to prepare yourself, yeah, to be a professional English teacher. Okay, and then now my question, if you're going to be a professional English teacher in the future, what kind of the teacher that you're going to be? Okay, just try to describe. For the example here, Capriano, I'll be an English teacher in an international school, and then I'll do blah, 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 blah. Okay? Okay? Come on, who will be the first, please? Ricky or Capriano or Hilman?
Okay.
Saya aja deh, Mister.
Okay, come on, Ricky.
For my future, well, if I'm gonna be a teacher in the future, I think I want to be the creative and teacher with a big passion. Because creative teacher mean that they can find a various method and also use various technology to teaching the student. And a teacher with big passion, I think they're just gonna love their job and their children and doing it passionately. Thank you, sir.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay, next, please. Who will be
Mister.
the next? Okay, come on. Tama.
Maybe if I'm going to be a teacher, I want students to enjoying at classroom. When I give material, the student enjoy in the classroom, and then I can make a student interesting with the material, enjoy, and in classroom. And then yeah, that's all, Mister.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. Kat, come on.
Sorry, Mister. I think the first target, I don't want to be a teacher because I want to be work in Kemenlu, Mister, Kementerian Luar Negeri.
Okay.
Because I think it's it's how to make to understand and the relation between different countries. That means the understanding is the way the different culture in various countries, so that there are no misunderstanding between our country and also the other country. If you asking me about why I choose, what the reason of I want to be the teacher, yes, same as them, Mister. I think that's all.
Okay, so you are taking our department here. It is only to be the bridge, so you can work, yeah, your dream career, yeah, working
Yes.
on foreign affairs, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and then I guess that's a good kind of ambition. Best of luck for that one. Next, please, Bella or Yaomi. Come on, Yaomi.
Honestly, Mister, I don't want to be a teacher, but if I be teacher, I will be a creative teacher and make a student to enjoy their study in English material.
Okay, so if you don't want to be a teacher, so what is it, your future ambition? Yaomi.
I want to be photographer or editor.
Okay, that's irrelevant with your major then. Thank you very much. Next, Bella, please.
Inshallah, Mister, if I'm gonna be a teacher, I want to create a strategies to make the student interest with the class, and I make the classroom is more active. And the first is I want to dominate the lesson, so I don't get confused in teaching the student.
Getting domination while teaching, yeah, that was a classic kind of approach. Yeah, because if you're mentioning dominant in giving the lesson for the student, so it will be teacher-centered. Yeah, and then the perspective of 21st century of teaching and learning here, it will be about the student-centered. Yeah, but if you try to explain here, you are going to master every single topic before you are going to teach them, so that will be the relevant answer. Okay, Bella?
Yeah, Mister.
Okay, and then next one, Hilman. Don't tell me you are not going to be the teacher also, please. Hilman,
No,
come on.
I wanna be a funny teacher, Mister, because
Okay.
if the student fun and love every when I teach in the class. So I think the student uh, can understand what I explain about. So I want to a good role model in is like creative, innovative, and funny. Yeah, I wanna elastic teacher.
And then your main point, you're going to be a funny teacher. Yeah, so
Yeah,
your student get a laugh but every single time that you teach them. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, that will be the last for the general education. And then now let's go with the second one. It will be about the comprehension that you guys got, yeah, specifically here about English language learning. Yeah, my first question here, it will be about understanding language itself. Yeah, when you guys try to learn English, when you guys try to learn about any kind of language, first of all, you gotta understand first here, what does it mean by language itself? Yeah, and then now we got here 6 participants. Each of you here, you gotta mention your perspective about language. Come on. Your guys' perspective about language. Who will be the first, please? Okay, come on. Ricky first. Come on. Cap will be the second. Please, Ricky.
I think a language is like a method for people to communication with each other.
Okay. That's a classic kind of answer. Thank you. Next one, please. Cap, what is it? Language. Turn your audio first, please, Jam. Okay.
Based on my opinion about language, I think language is such a science that focus on communicating and use.
Okay, do not mention communicating. That's taken by Ricky. Use
Okay.
another term, please.
Language, I think language will take you to study to the structure of culture and all aspect that surround it, and including psychology and sociology. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, come on. Next, please. Okay, Bella.
I think, in my opinion, language is a body of words that help human to do the interaction and helps each other to understand.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. Okay, Tama.
I think language is a tool communication to other.
Okay, do not use term communications. That's
So,
taken.
Mr.
Okay, come on, just answer it, please.
Apa gimana? Repeat, Mister.
Okay, just answer it. Come on, that's okay.
Bahas language.
Yeah,
Language, Mister.
yeah. Okay, come on.
Language is a tool. Language tool communication with other to help. If we don't, if we didn't can speak, speak, maybe people.
What is it? Speak. Putri, Tama.
I think language to communication to interaction with other and help us help us for communication.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. Next. Okay, come on.
I think language is an instrument for the people to understanding what does it mean each other to doing something. That's it.
Okay, language is instrument. Thank you very much. Next, Yaomi Rahma.
A system conventional spoken by written or speaking to interaction with others.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, so we have several kind of definition refer to the meaning of language itself. Yeah, when someone asks you guys about your perspective of language, it should come from your comprehension of language itself. You may simply mention language here is a product of culture. Language here is a part of culture. Language here is something that we deal in our everyday life. And then language also here is a form of exchanging information. So there are no single definition when we talk about language. Okay, that will be the first. But the second topic for your guys' mastery of the English language learning. And then now, next one, when you guys learn about English language learning, you guys learn about semantics, you guys learn about pragmatics, you guys learn about sociolinguistics, you guys learn about phonology, morphology, yeah, and then one more, it will be 6 subject, and then one more it will be about the syntaxes. And then now I want you to please try to choose each of the subject itself and then try to explain the subject to me. Come on. Come on. Okay, Cap. So what is it that you're going to choose?
I just remember on psycholinguistic, Mr.
Okay, psycholinguistic. I'm not giving you the option of psycholinguistic, but
Oh.
it is sociolinguistics.
Oh, I don't know, Mr.
Okay, come on, try to choose other subject then, please.
Apa aja, Miss? Apa aja? Can you repeat the
Okay,
type?
the option here, it will be about sociolinguistics, semantics, pragmatics, and then phonology, morphology, and then last one, syntaxes. Come on, syntax, please. Okay, anyone else?
Alphabet.
Okay, try to choose one, please. Hilman.
What, Mr.?
Okay, try to choose one subject and then enlighten us with your comprehension, please.
I'm still thinking, Mr.
Okay, Ricky, come on.
Let me arrange my words first.
Okay, Putri, Tama.
Semantics, Mr.
Okay, what is semantic? Come on.
Semantics, the branch of linguistic and logic, concerned with the meaning.
Meaning of?
Meaning of a language.
Okay, meaning of the language. Thank you. So semantic is taken by Tama. Second one, Ricky, please.
Mr. Sociolinguistic is already taken?
No, come on. You may explain sociolinguistics, please.
Oh, sociolinguistic is a subject that
Okay, come on, Ricky.
Okay. I think sociolinguistic is a subject study that explaining about the effect of a language in society, such as the cultural, the context of the language itself.
Okay, language and then culture and then society. Thank you, Ricky. Next, please. Okay, Bella.
Syntax.
Okay, what is it?
Syntax, it's about the arrangement of word and phrase to create well-formed sentence. It's about the words and phrase, Mr. To create well-formed sentence in language.
Anything else about syntax? Okay, thank you. Next, please. So you got 3 options left, please. Cap, Hilman, and Yaomi. Come on.
Can you repeat the question, Mister?
Okay, should I repeat all the question? I gave you 6 options. Yeah, 6 options. You gonna choose one. Yeah, and then do not choose the 3 options that taken by your friend. Okay, come on. The lab here, it will be about pragmatic. And then what else? What else? Pragmatic and come on. Hilman, come on.
What? I think pragmatic. What pragmatic?
Okay, come on. Yours, it will be about pragmatic. Please, what is it?
I think pragmatic is learn about situation and context to connecting with social life. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you. Next, so you got two options left here for Yaomi and Catherine Ramadan. Come on, which one that you gonna take? Yaomi.
Mr. Phonetics.
Okay, so it is about phonology. Come on. Last one, Cap, it is about morphology. Come on, Yaomi, what is it? Phonology.
Wait, Mr. I arrange my sentence first.
Okay, come on, Cap. Morphology, please.
Sir, I'm sorry, I didn't recall about one of that option that you give.
Okay, I'm gonna try to recall your previous knowledge then. We got free morpheme and then bound morpheme. That's morphology. The free morpheme here, morpheme that can stand by itself. Yeah. And then bound morpheme here, it has no meaning if it is only a single one. So bound morpheme here, it will be relate with the words. Come on. Come on, Kat.
Mr. Phonetic is...
Okay, wait a second, Naomi.
Oh, okay.
Okay, come on, Cap. Morphology, come on. I gave you the example. I gave you the part of morphology. Come on, free morpheme and then bound morpheme. I hope you remember the term, please.
Is morpheme the structure of a sentence, Mr.?
That's okay. Come on. You don't have to ask me. Just try to answer it. Come on.
I think, based on my best opinion, morphology is the structure of the sentence and also the poetic sentence that we make to communicate to each people.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Cut it out. That's enough. Next, come on. Yaomi Rama, please.
The phonetics is a study of human speech using mouth and teeth. That's all, Mr.
Okay, thank you very much. So you guys still have a random kind of comprehension, yeah? Because I guess you were not reading all the subject. Now let's go with the structure. Let's go with the grammar. How many types of tenses that we got? How many types of tenses that we got?
Past tense, Mr.
How many?
Oh, how many?
16. Okay,
16.
thank you. And then
15.
15 or 16? Come on. How many tenses that we got? Ricky?
15.
Ricky, Cap 15. Ricky, what about yours? How many that we got? Tenses. Come on. Come with the number, please.
14.
14.
13.
15, sir.
Okay, next one.
I think 16.
Okay, Yaomi 16. Putri Tama, how many tenses that we got?
I think 16 too, Mister.
Okay. Hilman, how many tenses that we got?
16.
16. Okay. And then Salsabila Ropi, how many tenses that we got?
16, Mister.
Okay, 16. Thank you very much. And then now I want everybody here to close their eyes. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes. No, I mean, you don't have to use your hand. You know me? Close your
Okay,
eyes, please. Hilman, you're still seeing me. Close your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna start with Capriano Ramadan first. Try to mention it, starting from number 1 tenses till the last one. Come on. Come on.
The first is simple present tense,
Okay,
simple past tense,
okay,
simple future tense,
okay.
simple past, simple future past,
What is it simple?
past perfect, past perfect,
Okay,
Past perfect.
next. Next.
past future tense,
Okay, next.
and lah 5 5
It is only 5
Future.
tenses. Okay, come on, next.
Aduh, astagfirullahaladzim. Future past tense, past future, future tense, past continuous, past continuous tense,
Perfect. Past.
past
Perfect.
perfect, past perfect tense, perfect continuous tense.
Okay. Okay, time's up. That's enough for you, Kev. Next, come on, let's go with Ricky. Ricky, please. Close your eyes still.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, come on.
Simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Past tense. Apa? Present perfect present perfect.
Okay, next.
Simple past tense.
Okay, next.
Past continuous tense.
Okay.
Past perfect tense.
Okay.
Lupa saya, I forgot, sir.
Okay, that's enough. Time's up for you, Ricky. Next, come on, Tama, Putri, please. Mention all the tenses, starting
Simple
with
past.
number 1. Okay, number 1.
Simple past tense, past future.
Close your eyes, please.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Past tense,
Okay.
past future,
Hmm.
past past future,
Okay.
simple present tense,
Okay.
simple present tense, apa lagi ya? Simple continuous tense,
Hmm.
simple perfect,
Okay.
perfect continuous,
Hmm.
perfect continuous, and then simple.
Okay, time's up. Time's up. Come on, Hilman. Hilman, please.
Simple present tense.
Okay.
Simple continuous.
Okay. Okay.
Simple past.
Okay.
Past continuous. Past
Okay.
perfect tense. Past continuous perfect tense.
Past continuous perfect tense. What is that?
And simple future past simple future tense,
Okay.
and simple uh, future continuous tense, simple future perfect tense,
Future perfect tense. Next.
simple
Okay, that's enough. Time's up for you, Hilman. Next one, please, Bella.
Simple present tense,
Okay.
simple past tense,
Okay.
simple continuous tense,
Yeah.
present perfect, present perfect continuous,
Okay.
simple 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 future, is it?
Okay.
Tense. Oh, Mr. I forget.
Okay, last one. Come on, Yomi Rahma. After this one, you are going to make sentence with all those 16 types. Come on, Yomi Rahma, please.
Simple present tense,
Okay.
present continuous tense,
Okay.
simple present future tense,
Okay.
simple past tense,
Okay.
simple past future tense,
Mhm.
simple past continuous tense, simple future tense. That's all, Mister.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Next, it will be making these sentences. Yeah. We have here 6 participants. So each of you guys, you are going to create here at least how many sentences? 2 or 3 sentences. Yeah, so it will be in total 16 sentences. Who will be the first? Come on. Come on, who will be the first? One sentence. You're going to make it here till all type of sentences. Come on. Who will be the first to make the sentence? Okay, Hilman. Come on, Hilman.
simple present, sir.
Okay, simple present. What is it?
I drink coffee.
Okay, drink coffee.
I drink
Next,
coffee.
I drink coffee of
At coffee. Cafe.
I drink coffee in this coffee. That's the bahasa, I guess. Yeah. Okay,
I
come
drink
on.
coffee.
A better
I
sentence,
drink
please.
coffee.
Okay, I drink coffee. Okay, next, come on. After simple present, Ricky Surya, come on.
Present perfect, sir.
Okay, present perfect.
I have been reading this book all day.
No, it will be the same with the first sentence from Hilman Madani. Come on.
It's drinking. I'm reading.
Yeah, come on. Repeat
Yeah.
it.
Oh, we must
Yes, start with the sentence that Hilman mentioned, and then you are going to make it into. Come on.
yeah. Tadi, I'm sorry. Hilman, what Hilman
I
say?
drink
Okay.
coffee. Just I drink coffee.
Okay, drink coffee. That was his sentence. Come on.
I've been drinking this coffee so many times.
Drinking this coffee so many times. What type of dances was that? Huh? Okay, come on.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so that was your last trial then? Or
Oh,
you going to revise it?
No, that's okay.
Okay, come on, Cap, please.
I just perfect continuous.
Okay, perfect continuous.
Hilman drinking, Mister.
Yeah.
Hilman drinking since 4 hours.
Since 4 hours.
Perfect
Okay.
continuous, Mister.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Thank
what
you.
is it? Perfect.
Hilman has been drinking since 2 hours.
Okay, thank you. I guess the
Mr.
previous one
Yomi.
you mentioned 4 hours and then now become 2 hours. Next, come on, Yomi.
Simple future tense, Mister.
Okay, come on.
I will drink a coffee.
Who are you? You're gonna take the example from Hilman. Yomi, please. The sentence that you're going to use that taken from Hilman.
Yes, I will drink a coffee.
Come on, why did you using I?
Because human use I too. I think.
Because you like it. Okay, thank you. Next, come on, Bella.
Past
Bella.
continuous tense, Mister.
Okay.
Continuous tense. Hilman was drinking the coffee.
Hilman was drinking the coffee. Okay. Next, Tama.
Apa ya? Yomi, simple future tense, Mister.
Why
I'm
did
like
you are
Yomi, sir.
choosing Yaomi? Okay, come on. Come on. The example.
Example,
Hmm.
I will go
Okay.
to the
Okay.
Tunggu bentar. I will go to market after take a bath.
Okay. So Hilman, so you're gonna switch your sentence first. Yeah, going to the market and then taking that first. Yeah. Okay. Second form, second tenses, please. Now we are talking about Thomas sentence. Going to the market and then take that. Come on. Come on. Okay, Hilman first. Come on.
No, I don't understand.
Okay, we are using Thomas sentences here. Come on. Going to the market and then don't forget to take that. That was her sentence. Come on. Capriano, please. No. Yaomi?
With different sentence or the same?
The same sentence, but you're going to modify the sentence into what kind of tenses that you want.
I'm Mister.
Okay.
I'm going to the market and drinking the coffee.
Drinking the coffee while take bed. That's
No.
Huh?
No. I'm going to the market and then I'm taking that after that.
Okay, so you were taking bath not before going to the market then.
Yeah.
Okay. Ilman, come on.
Past tense.
Fast.
Simple past.
Okay, come on.
Yesterday I went to the market and take a
Okay.
bath. There.
Okay. Thank you. Next, come on. Capriano.
Past future continuous.
Okay, fast future continuous. Okay.
Tama told me she wouldn't be going to the market.
And
Tama told me she would not be going to the market. Yeah, the market.
and then where's the take bath part? Come on. Come on, Cap.
I just remember the going to the market, Mister.
Okay. We have taking bath also. Take a bath also. That's mentioning
Oh,
by.
take a
Yeah.
bath.
Come on.
Aduh.
Come
Tama
on.
told me she will not be going to the market before he take a bath.
Okay, thank you. That's a random sentence. Ricky Surya, please.
Uh, aduh, Mister. With continuous, Mister.
Okay, come on.
Uh, I will be in the market buying my groceries.
Buying my groceries while take bath. That's Ricky Surya. Okay, Bella, come on.
Sorry, Mister. Could Nama repeat her sentence?
Okay, Tama, come on. Your sentence consists of going to the market and then take bath, please.
Tama,
Okay.
I will go to supermarket after take a bath.
Oh.
Okay, Bella, come on.
Okay, wait. Simple future tense, Mister.
Simple future.
Future
Okay.
tense. Tama will go to the market after he's taking a bath.
Last one, Yaomi, please.
I'm finished.
Really?
Yeah, study.
Okay, repeat it. What is it? What is it your
Okay.
answer? Okay, come on.
Tama
Mention the
go
tenses first.
simple present, Mister.
Simple present. Really?
Yeah.
No. We are using the tenses that not used before. Come
Oh yeah.
on. Okay, come on. Come on.
Simple future tense, Mister.
Okay, simple future that was taken, I guess. Yeah, do not use that one. Come on.
Simple past tense, Mister.
Okay, that's taken also. Do not use that one.
Skip, Mister.
Okay, skip. Thank you very much. Yeah, I guess that's enough for your guys' comprehension about tenses. Yeah, and then that's pretty impressive, I guess, the way that you guys making the sentences. Yeah, and then next, it will be the last question for English language learning mastery. It will be about International Phonetic Alphabet. Yeah. IPA. Yeah, I want you guys to please try to give me the example of International Phonetic Alphabet. Come on, who will be the first, please?
What?
Mister, wait. What this mean?
Okay, you are going to give the example of International Phonetic Alphabet. Come on. The example of International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, please. Who will be the first?
Like for example, like maybe like in Indonesia we say A B C D E gitu, like that, Mister.
No. When you learn English, yeah, you learn about phonetic. Yeah, how did we create the sounds? Yeah, in each of the words.
Oh.
Okay, come on. That was the hint. Please, who will be the first, please?
Okay, can I
Okay.
try?
Come on, Ricky.
A B C. That's not right. That's wrong.
Okay, come on. Maybe it is simply mention the word first, and then after that one, how that you are going to read it? Yeah. Come on.
Sir, can you give me a example first?
No, because if I give you the examples, that will be the answer. Come on. Come on. This
Oh.
one, okay. Capriano Ramadan, please.
Like the way we speak about the word, Mister.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Ah,
Oh, in UK we say advertisement. In Britain, adver adver advertisement. Oh, no. In UK we say Friday, and in Britain we say Friday. Like that, Mister. I don't know, Mister.
So which one is the alphabet? International phonetic
Freud.
alphabet.
Oi.
Okay.
A.
And then?
Okay, thank you, Mister. That's all.
Okay. Next, come on. Ricky Surya.
Like this, in French, we say merci. In English, we say merci.
Okay. And then try to pronounce each of the word, please.
Pronounce
Yeah.
M-A-R-C-Y.
It is really or am. How did we pronounce each of? Come on.
M-E-R-C-Y. Merci.
Merci. Okay. Merci. Okay, next. Come on. Next. Hilman.
No, I haven't yet researched.
Yomi Rahma.
the first, Mister.
Okay, come on. Putri, Tama.
I think like E man man gimana sih man or like
Okay.
be very
Okay, be
very
okay. And then
be very and
okay,
then
be and then
apa ya lagi? I don't know, Mister.
okay,
I don't
thank
know,
you.
Mister.
Next, come on, Bella.
Mister, sorry, I don't understand yet.
Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations, you guys passed the second topic here for mastering of English language learning. And then now let's go with the last part. Yeah, last part here, it will be about Al-Islam and Kemuhammadiyahan. Yeah, I hope you guys still remember all the topic. Yeah, all the discussion that you guys had when you guys learn about Al-Islam and Muhammadiyahan. Okay, my first question, the first question here, it will be the same question, but you guys have to answer this one in different way. Yeah? One question, and then we will have 6 different answers. Can you hear the question, Ricky? Okay. And then now the question. In Al-Islam and Muhammadiyahan, you guys learn about first how that we are going to live as a Muhammadiyah person. Yeah, how that you are going to interact, yeah, like a Muhammadiyah person, and then how that you are going to build your life here based on the rule of Muhammadiyah. That will be the question, please. Come on. Who will be the first, please?
Mister, can you repeat the question, Mister?
Okay, it is about way of living. Yeah, it is simply all the three questions. It is about simply way of living as a Muhammadiyah person. Come on. Okay, Bella.
Muhammadiyah is preaching as amar ma'ruf nahi mungkar.
Okay.
So we as Muhammadiyah, we have to uphold the right and we have to forbid the what is wrong. And we doing all by the Quran and Sunnah. That's Mr. We are doing anything is sourced by Al-Quran and Sunnah.
Okay, that's Muhammadiyah ways of living based on Bella. Next, come on. Okay, Ricky.
Mister, in Muhammadiyah is forbidden for smoking. So
That's all. Muhammadiyah ways of living that forbidden smoking. That's all.
yeah, and I don't smoke.
Okay, next, come on. Okay, Cap.
Just a little bit definition, no definition, but in why we like become a Muhammadian people. I think it's founding teachings of proper Islam. And the goals is to understand and implement the religion of Islam as taught and exemplified by the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Okay,
That's one step.
Hilman, come on.
I think Muhammadiyah what tips me about a simple to face the religion. And Muhammadiyah is an organization and dakwah by education, I think, because so many lembaga education in Indonesia from Muhammadiyah.
That's all.
No.
Okay, next, come on. Come on, next. Yami.
Skip, Mister.
Bella.
What, Mister?
Okay, do you have anything to add? So some of your friends here, they will have another answer, please, about Muhammadiyah person.
Mister,
No? Okay, come on, Tama, Putri. Tama, I can barely hear your voice.
Muhammadiyah, the biggest, ya ampun. Muhammadiyah is the biggest Islamic movement that are following Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And Islamic faith an Islamic faith and search from Sunnah and Al Quran. That's it, Mr.
Okay, anyone else would like to try? Yami, come on. No? Okay, second question about Al-Islam and Kemuhammadiyahan. When you guys learn about Al-Islam and Kemuhammadiyahan, you guys also learn about Islamic way, Islamic ways of selling, Islamic ways of interaction in society. And then now, please, do you mind here try to enlighten me with how the art of selling, that teach by Muhammadiyah, and then also the art of interaction in a society that teach by Muhammadiyah. Come on. Okay, Ricky.
A teacher teaching selling taught by Muhammadiyah, Mister. First of all, the first point that I get, and I think it's the point is that in selling something, we need to take advantage more than it should. And as interaction, I think we have to understand each other and be nice, be kind to each other, and honest to each other.
That's all, Ricky?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. Anyone else? Come on. Come on. No one? Come, please. Okay.
Selling, right?
Yeah, selling and then interaction in Muhammad. Come on.
Selling, such as written an agreement, the contest, like ada yang disebut akad, ya nggak sih?
Akad,
akad, and also over to qabul or the acceptance. The concept is over and qabul is acceptance, and yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you. Next, come on. Anyone else would like to try, please? Hilman. Hilman, no. Putri Tama, come on.
Maybe yeah. Bahasa Indonesia. Maybe we can teach how to teach with Muhammadiyah. We must be patient, and then we must know. We must introduce our tokoh-tokoh Muhammadiyah first, and then he knows the historical Muhammadiyah. Then yeah, that's all. That's it, Mr.
Okay, thank you very much. Interesting answer. So before you were going to sell everything, okay, if you want to buy this one, you gotta know, okay, Haji Muhammad Dahlan, you have to know Amin Rais that way, Putri Tama, yeah, the art of selling in Muhammadiyah. Okay, last one. Now I want every single of you here try to pick Al-Quran, please. Al-Quran. Al-Quran, come on.
Read by phone, can, Mister?
Okay, that's okay. Hilman, do you have Al-Quran with you, or you may open your smartphone if you have your Al-Quran?
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Mister, give me a minute.
What is it, Ricky?
Please give me a minute. I wanna check in my home.
Do you have it on your smartphone?
No.
Okay, okay, come on, 1 minute, come on, just take it, please. Who will be the first? Salsabila or Cap or Hilman or Putri or Yaomi? Come on, who will be the first?
Quran, Mister.
Yeah, who will be the first?
What surah?
Yeah, why the second? You ready to read Salsabila Robi?
No, Mister.
No? Putri Tama.
Surah berapa, Mister?
Okay, open page 105, please.
Hah? What, Mister?
Open page 105, please.
105.
Yeah. Come on.
Wait, sir. Ini, sir.
Okay, now you may start reading the Holy Quran starting from the right. Yeah, come on. The right page. Yeah. 105, please. Come on.
A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Walaqad kuzibat rusulan min qablik fasabaru ala makuzibu wa uzu hatta atahum nasruna wala mubaddila lika
It is not wala mubadila, but wala mubaddila.
Mubaddila likalimatillahi walaqad ja'aka min naba'i ilmu rasalin.
Okay, repeat it.
Lagi.
Repeat it, the previous one, the last one.
Wa in kana kabura alaika i'raduhum fa innis ta'an tabata.
Why did you have to, Putri, why did you have to tada, starting with tada? You gonna repeat it from the beginning.
In tabata hiya nafaqo fil aradi au sulaman fis samai fatiyahum bi ayatim walau sa Allahu la jama'akum alal huda fala takunanna minal jahilin.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Tama Putri, thank you. That's enough. It seems like you are barely read or reciting Al-Quran, Tama. Why?
Mister.
You gonna read.
Like Mister, pure connection.
Okay, you gonna read more, yeah. Next, come on. Who will be the next after Tama?
Ini ayat.
No, I'm gonna give you the page. Okay, Bella, you gonna open 210, please. Page 210.
Wait, Mister.
Okay, come on.
Dan Mister.
Okay, read it, please.
A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa idza tutla 'alaihim ayatuna bayyinatin qala allazina la yarjuna liqa'ana u'ti bi qur'anin ghairi hadza au baddilhu Qul ma yakunu li an ubaddilahu min tilqa'i nafsi in attabi'u illa ma yuhayya ilayya.
Okay, repeat it. Minha.
What, Mister?
Repeat it. Minha. Ula, what is it?
Any ayat, Mister?
Minha. Come on.
Min tilqa'i.
Okay, come on. Repeat it.
Min tilqa'i nafsi in attabi'u illa ma yuhayya ilayya. Inni akhafu in asaitu rabbi azaba yaumin azim. Qul law syaa Allahu ma talautuhu alaikum wala adrakum bih. Faqad labithtu fiikum umuram min qablih. Afala ta'qilun.
Okay, thank you, Bella. That's enough. Next, who will be the next? Cap or Ricky? Okay, Ricky. Ricky, you gotta open page 59. Page 59, please.
105, Mister.
59.
Oh, 50. Yeah, 59, Mister.
Okay, come on, start reading.
A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wakola ya, Mister.
Come on.
Waqalat ta'ifatum min ahlil kitabi aminu billazi unzila wajahan nahari la'allahum yarji'un wala tu'minu illa liman tabi hadi dinakum.
Okay, repeat it. Wala tu'minu, what is it?
Wala tu'minu illa liman tabi hadi dinakum. Kul innal hudallah an ayyuta.
Repeat it. Kul innal hada hudallah. What is it? Repeat it, please.
Kul innal hudallah an ayyuta ahadum mis lama utitum au ayuhajjukum inda rabbikum. Kul innal fadla biyadillahi yu'tihi may yasha wallahu wasihun alim.
Okay, repeat it. Wallahu
wasihun alim.
Okay.
Again.
Next, one more, please.
Yahtasu bi rahmatihi ayyasha.
Hah? May yasha.
Oh ya, may yasha. Wallahu dzul fadlil azim. Again, sir.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you. You gotta read Al-Quran more, Ricky Surya, okay? Next, please. Will be the next. Okay, Yomi Rahma, please.
What page, Mister?
The page here is 273.
273.
Come on.
Wait. In A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La yakfuru bima atainahum fatamatta'u fasawfa ta'lamun wa yaj'aluna lima la ya'lamuna nasiban mimma razaqnahum tallahi latus'aluna amma
Okay, wait a second. Alunna. Why that you gonna start with alunna? Repeat it from the beginning, please.
the beginning, Mister.
Yeah.
liyakfuru bima atainahum fatamatta'u fasawfa ta'lamun
Fatamatta'u fasawfa ta'lamun. Right? Repeat it. What is it?
fatamatta'u fasawfa ta'lamun
Okay.
wa yaj'aluna lima la ya'lamuna nasiban mimma razaqnahum tallahi latus'aluna amma kuntum taftarun wa yaj'aluna lillahil banati subhanahu wa lahum ma yashtarun wa idza
Mayastarun. What is it? Repeat it.
wa yaj'aluna lillahil banati subhanahu wa lahum ma yashtahun
Mayastahun, or what is it? Repeat it. Repeat it.
wa lahum ma yashtahun
Okay. Walahum mayastahun. Okay, next.
wa iza busyira ahaduhum bil unsa zalla wajhuhu wadda wa
What
huwa
is it? Wajhuhul. What is it?
wajhuhu
Wajhuhu. Repeat it.
wa iza busyira ahaduhum bil unsa zalla wajhuhu muswadda wa huwa kazim. Next, Mister.
Okay, next.
Yatawarra minal qaumi min su'i ma yubshirum.
Yubsirum. What is it? Yubsirum. It is yubsirum or yubsirun.
Yubsiru bih.
Yubsirubih. Yeah, that's a deeper. Okay, come on, next.
Ayumsikuhu ala hunin am yadusuhu fit turabi ala sa'amam yahkumun.
Okay, that's enough. Yomi Rahma, you gotta read Al-Quran more,
Yes,
okay?
Mister.
Next, Capriano Ramadan. Capriano, page 17 for you. Come on.
17.
Yeah, 17, please.
Okay, Mr. Al-Baqarah.
Come on.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Manansah min ayyatin aw nunsiha nati biyah. Al-Baqarah, right?
Manansah min
Manansah min ayatin aw nunsiha nati bi khairin mina aw
Nati. Come on, repeat it. Manansah aw nunsiha. Come on, repeat it.
manansah min ayatin.
It is min ayatin or min ayatin?
Min ayatin.
Okay, come on.
Min ayatin aw nunsiha nati bi khairin minha aw mitliha alam ta'allam mala ta'allam anna
Alam ta'lam.
Allahu Allahu alam ta'lam anna Allah ala kulli syai'in qadiru.
Alam ta'lam annallaha ala kulli syai'in qadir. That's
Anallahu ala kulli syai'in qadir.
and then
Alam ta'lam anna lahu mulku alam al samawati wal ardi wa na lakum min duni Allahu min waliyin wala nasiri.
okay, is that the way that you're reading Holy Quran, Captain Ramadan?
Yes, fast.
But it's not clear.
Oh,
Come on.
Yeah, yes, sorry.
Okay, come on. Next, please.
Alam ta'lam anna lahu
What is it? Alam ta'lam
Alam
annallah.
anna Allahu
Anna Allah. What is it? Anna Allah.
anallahu.
Repeat it. Come on. What is it?
Alam ta'lam anallahu mulku al samawati wal ardi wa ma lakum min dun
Wa malakum.
wa ma
What is it? Wa
lakum min duni lahi min waliyin wala nasrin.
Nasir.
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 Nah.
Am turiduna turiduna ini salah.
Bener kok.
Benar ya? Am turiduna an tasalu lazim.
Okay, Cap. Thank you very much. That's enough, Cap. Cap, you gotta read moral Quran. Yeah, it seems like
Okay,
you
sir.
really reciting Holy Quran. Yeah. Okay, Cap. Next, please. Next. Who will be the last one?
Hilman.
Hilman. Come on, Hilman. Hilman, yours here. It will be 10. Come on, page 10, please. Or since you are not holding Al-Quran with you, you may read any that you memorize from Al-Quran. Come on, that will be okay. Please, Hilman. Come on, Hilman. Any that you memorize from Al-Quran, please. Hilman?
Di mute. Hilman tuh di mute.
Okay, come on, Hilman.
Al-Baqarah.
Okay, you are memorizing Al-Baqarah. Nice one.
No. I don't memorize it.
Okay, come on. Just read it or any kind that you memorize from Al-Quran, please.
Oh, what I memorize. Mister.
Yeah, come on.
I didn't memorize.
Yang lu hafal, Mang. Surat pendek wae.
Okay, come on. Any, please.
Gak ada yang dihafal.
Really?
Al-Fatihah aja, Bang.
Iya, kalau itu apalah. I think it's surah, Mister.
Yeah, any. I'm mentioning any that you memorize. Come on.
Surah Al-Qadr, Mister.
Okay, come on.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalnahu fi lailatul qadr. Wama adraka ma lailatul qadri khairun min alf shahr. Tanazzalul malaikatu war-ruhu fiha bi'izni rabbihim min kulli amrin. Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr.
Okay, thank you very much. Since some of you here, the way that you read Holy Quran, it still need improvement. So I'm gonna give you one last question then. One last thing to do for Al-Islam and ke Muhammadiyah. After this one, that's it, no more question. Yeah, I want you to please, each of you here, try to read how did you pray? Yeah, how did you guys pray? That's okay, you may choose Subuh, Asar, Duhur, Maghrib, or Isya. Come on, a simple one, please. Praying. Come on. Praying Asar, praying Subuh. Come on, any kind of pray, please. Who will be the first? Come on.
Repeat, Mister. Repeat the question, Mister.
Okay, practicing the way that you guys praying. Come on. Praying Asar, that will be okay. Subuh or any kind of pray. Come on. Who will be the first, please?
Tata caranya, Mister.
Yeah. Come on. Who will be the first? Come on, practice. How did you guys praying 5 times a day? Please, come on. Come on.
Kita praktek sholat, Mister.
Yeah, okay, come on. Okay, who will be the first? Come on, who will be the first to practice the way to pray? Come on, praying Subuh or Asar or any kind of praying, please. Okay, Cap, come on, Cap.
Ini praktek sholat, Mister.
Yep.
Saya berdiri.
That's okay, come on. That's okay. While sitting, you can practice the way that you pray. You don't have to
Include
stand.
the doa, Mister, doa.
Yeah, come on. Okay.
I think I should duhur.
Okay. Come on.
First niat nawaitu maghrib rakatain salah serakatain mustaqbilal kiblati adaan lillahi ta'ala.
You're mentioning playing duhur, you're reading
Maghrib.
Okay.
Maghrib.
Okay, come on.
Adaan if we alone and makmuman jika kita jamaah. Ya pokoknya itu. Allahu Akbar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ba'id bani wa baina khotaya bil maghrib. Allahumma nakini min khotaya kama innahu sabul ayyina janas. Allahumma gisini min khotaya bima'i wa salji wal barad. Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin arrahmanirrahim maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi waladdallin. Pendek. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainakal kautsar fasholli li rabbika wanhar inna syani'aka huwal abtar. Allahu subhana rabbiyal wa bihamdihi subhana rabbiyal azim wa bihamdihi subhana rabbiyal azim wa bihamdihi Rabbana lakal hamdu minas samawati wal ardi wa mil'a ma syi'ta min syai'in ba'du. Terus sujud bisa Allah subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi. Duduk di antara sujud Rabbil wahani wa jiburni warzuqni warfa'ni. Sujud lagi dua yang sama subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi 3 kali. Terus naik lagi Al-Fatihah lagi. Habis itu pendek Qul huwallahu ahad Allahus samad lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Seruku lagi sama walaida. Rabbana lakal hamdu minas samawati wal ardi wa min sujud doa yang sama di antara sujud lagi sujud doa tahiyat pertama tahiyatul barakatuh salawat tayyibatu lillahi assalamu alayka ya nabi wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh wassalamu alayna wa ala ibadillah asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna muhammadar rasulullah. Itu bangun pulang sampai tahiyat terakhir tahiyatul barakatuh salawat tayyibatu lillahi assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabi wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillah shalih asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna muhammadar rasulullah. Allahumma shalli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama shallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim wa barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala Ibrahim fil alamin innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, thank you, Cap. And then now for the rest of you, only the Tita. Come on. Come on. Bella or Ricky? Bella or Ricky? Bella first. Come on, please.
Iftitah, only iftitah.
Yeah, come on.
Wajhtu wajhiya lilladzi fatara samawati wa ma fil ard hanifa muslima wa ma ana minal musyrikin.
Okay, repeat it. What is it? You repeat that?
Wajhtu wajhiya lilladzi fatara samawati wa ma fil ard hanifa muslima wa ma ana minal musyrikin. Inna sholati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin la syarika lahu wa bidzalika umirtu wa ana minal muslimin.
Okay, Allahumma ba'id.
Oh,
Try it.
no, Mister,
You try it. Come on.
oh no, I don't memorize the.
Okay, you
Because,
gotta memorize it.
Mr. Hadian said we can use the wajhtu wajhiya lilladzi.
Okay, but I'm asking you, Allahumma ba'id. Can you do it? No?
No.
No. Okay, thank you. Ricky Surya, please.
Mister, sama dulu deh Mister.
Why, Tama? What happened?
Soalnya
with you,
di
Para.
in here tuh mati lampu Mister.
Okay,
Dari
come on.
kemarin.
Come on, Tama.
Jadi
Okay.
bentar lagi nih HP Tama juga udah mau mati nih, mati
Okay,
lampu.
come on, Tama. Okay, come on, Tama.
Yang mana Mister?
Okay, repeatah only, please.
Ini wajah tu wajahnya lillazi fatara samawati wal ardi hanifal muslima wa ma ana minal musyrikin. Inna sholati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin. La syarika lahu wa bidzalika umirtu wa ma ana minal muslimin.
Okay, Allahumma ba'id. Come on, can you do it? Can you read it?
I not yet, Mister, nggak bisa, Mister.
Okay, come on, Ricky Surya, please. I can barely hear your voice, Ricky Surya.
Halo.
Yeah, come on.
Alhamdulillah kasir wa subhanallah bukrata wa asila ini wajah tuhiyallahi fataras wa ar hanifa muslima wa ma ana minal musyrikin in salati wa qiyamu amin itu anak muslimin.
Allahumma ba'id. Can you do it?
Tiba.
Okay, thank you. Next, come on, Yomi.
Akbar Allah Akbar kabiru walhamdulillahi katsiran subhanallah berkata wasila inni wajatu wajhiya lillazi fatara samawati wal hanifan musliman wa ana minal musyrikin inna sholati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin. That's all, Mister.
Okay, Hilman. Hilman,
Ya, Mister.
come on.
Allahumma ba'id baini wa baina khotoya ya kama ba'adta bainal muslimin wal muslimin. Allahumma naqqini minal khotoya ya kama yunqat ta'awul ya yaduni. Allahumma fil khotoya bil ma'i wa tajri wal barat.
That's all? Okay, thank you very much. So Moral Islam and Kemuhammadihan, guys, you really need to read more Al-Quran, yeah? Okay, especially for those that, I guess when you guys try to read Al-Quran, make sure here that you have your proper reading, yeah? Not too fast like Capricorn Ramadan till there are no such kind of tajweed that we can hear from the reading, yeah? And then some also, you guys need to make it here your habit, yeah, in reading Al-Quran. Okay, I guess that's all. Congratulations, guys. You already completed the comprehensive exam, yeah? And then let's hope based on all of you guys' answer, you guys will pass for this comprehensive exam, yeah? And then let's close or let's end this comprehensive exam here by reciting Hamdalah together. Ya.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
And then the last, wallahu muwaffiq wal hadi ila sabilir rasyad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi